Unlocking the power of recurring revenue, how to start a subscription business. Are you captivated by the idea of a steady stream of income? It's the allure of the subscription business model. Offering a product or service on a recurring basis can provide a predictable revenue stream and build a loyal customer base. Let's start by understanding what a subscription business is. It's a business model where customers pay a recurring price at regular intervals to access a product or service. Choosing the right product or service is the first step. It needs to be something that your customers need regularly. You could offer anything from beauty products to digital goods, as long as it's something people will value on an ongoing basis. Next, understand your target audience. Who are they? What do they need? What do they value? These questions will guide your business approach, helping you design a subscription that meets their needs. Once you've identified your product and audience, it's time to set your price. This should cover your costs and provide a profit margin. Remember, pricing is a key part of your value proposition. Next, establish your delivery cycle. Would your customers prefer monthly, quarterly, or yearly subscriptions? The choice depends on the product and your customers' needs. Your subscription business needs a strong online presence. Invest in a professional, user-friendly website with a secure checkout process. This will be the hub of your business, where customers come to subscribe. Marketing is crucial for any business, especially for a subscription model. You need to convince your prospects of the value you offer. Use social media, email marketing, and content marketing to reach your audience. One important aspect of a subscription business is customer service. You need to make sure your customers are satisfied and feel valued. Offering excellent customer service can help you retain subscribers and attract new ones. By now, you should have a clear picture of your business. The next step is to launch. Start by doing a soft launch to a small audience to test your service. Use the feedback from your soft launch to refine your subscription offering. Even after launching, continue seeking feedback to improve your service. Once you've launched, focus on customer retention. It's easier and cheaper to retain an existing customer than to acquire a new one. Offer excellent customer service, listen to feedback, and continually improve your offering. Remember, your customers are subscribing for the convenience and value you offer. Make sure you're delivering on your promise. You should also consider offering a free trial. This can attract new customers and give them a taste of your service. Once they see the value, they'll be more likely to subscribe. While focusing on your current customers, don't forget to attract new ones. Run promotions, partner with other businesses, or offer referral incentives to grow your customer base. Monitor your business performance. Keep track of key metrics like churn rate, customer acquisition cost, and customer lifetime value. These will help you understand the health of your business. Be open to change. The subscription business model is flexible, and you should be too. Be ready to adapt your service to fit changing customer needs. Building a successful subscription business takes time. Be patient, stay focused, and keep refining your business model. Remember, the goal is to build a business that provides consistent value to your customers. Stay in touch with your subscribers. Regular communication can keep them engaged and make them feel valued. Consider partnering with other businesses. This can help you reach a wider audience and offer more value to your customers. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new products, pricing strategies, or marketing tactics. Not everything will work, but you'll learn valuable lessons along the way. Focus on your brand. A strong brand can set you apart in the competitive subscription business landscape. Finally, stay positive and keep going. Building a business is a journey, not a destination. You'll face challenges, but with persistence, you can succeed. Welcome to the world of subscription business. A world of recurring revenue, loyal customers, and endless opportunities. It's a world where you have the power to shape your business and your future. So, are you ready to start your subscription business journey? Remember, it all starts with an idea, a plan, and a whole lot of determination. You've got this.